This is our 55-gallon tank. These two guys were teeny tiny when we got them, like maybe the size of a quarter, and they're pretty big now. If you look in the bottom, hi there, it's Corridoras, and this tank has plenty of snails as well, but we like them because they keep the tank clean. Here's my mystery snail back there. He's a golden mystery snail. He's really big. I don't know if you can see him that well. I'll try to zoom in a little. And he's swishing around back there. We've actually had baby Corridoras in this tank. We started out with, I think, 4, because they do like to school. And then we've had 2 babies, so there's a total of 6 in there. Sometimes they hide back here in the Java fern. This aquarium has done so well with the plants, and I don't know if you can tell in here. If I get really close, I think you can. We actually put potting soil in the very bottom of the aquarium, followed by a layer of gravel. There goes a couple of snails. And by doing that, the plants grow really well. We just put a very few plants in there to start with. And as you can see, this grass is just coming up everywhere. I'm actually starting to have to thin plants out. So the plants do very, very well. The fish do very, very well with all the plants. We don't really have to clean this tank. It's virtually maintenance free. Occasionally we do vacuum the gravel, but not very often, because all of these guys down here and the snails really take care of any food that falls in the bottom. The plants are fertilized by all the fish poop that falls in the bottom. The snails are always happy, and they keep our tank really clean. So we don't have any algae whatsoever between the snails and just the health of the tank. So that's the way to have a virtually maintenance-free tank. Now, we do have to add water from time to time because the water evaporates every once in a while. Well, I don't even know if my husband's still doing that, but every once in a while he used to take about a third of the water out of it and add more water, and he would vacuum the gravel a little bit then. But I don't think he's even doing that anymore. I'll have to ask him. But the tank looks awesome. Fish are doing great. We're not losing any fish. So they're very happy in here. These 2 guys always come to see me when I come to the tank. So maybe some of the guppies might come in here when they grow up. I don't know. I'll have to research how well angelfish and guppies do together. This is 55, and we may put another 20-gallon in the house. Maybe in the bedroom, I don't know.